YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, RJ Car Review. Before I go any further, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and hit all notifications so you guys can get notified when I upload these videos. All right, so I got the car back, picked it up on Thursday. Got a call from the dealership. It's still not fixed yet, so let's dive into this. So got the car back, and here's the deal. Here's the problem. It's been sitting in the dealership for about a week and a half now, and reason being, I had a cracked wing. You can see the smudges along here, and the reason why it's still not fixed is because the wing is actually seized on to the trunk. They tried to get it off, they tried using a heat gun, they tried everything, and it's very hard to get this wing off. The wing is now seized on so bad that it's pulling off the stripes. So that was the big hiccup, that it's pulling the stripe off. So this part, as you can see, I could actually lift this now with no problem. You see the wing is actually loose, so I could lift this up. And once they got around to this middle area of the trunk, it's starting to pull the stripes up. So they ordered me new stripes because the guys said if they try to pull it off, this whole stripe is going to come off with it. So they had to order new stripes for me, also covered under warranty, and it's on back order. And I didn't want to have the car sitting at dealership outside for the next week or week and a half. I think it's supposed to be coming in around February 7th or February 10th. So that's almost like a week and a half from now. And I didn't want the car sitting down in the dealership. You know, the advisor, he called me and he said, hey, you know, Rick, I don't want your car to be sitting out in the dealership, you know, with the dust and everything and rain. I'm like, yo, man, you know what, man, at the end of the day, it's a car. I could wash it. It ain't nothing. But I just didn't want to have it sitting out there for a whole nother almost 2 weeks, just in case if it snows or anything. I didn't want it to be sitting outside. So that's the update. Let me show you guys the wing. I do have the wing. This is the wing here. You can see they started to remove the parts. This is the case. They started to remove it, and this is the wing here. So this is the brand new wing. Let's take a look at it. I haven't opened it. See what it looks like, but it's a wing. And there it is. There it is, guys. My brand new wing. Got the tape already in place, and no cracks on this one. So it looks pretty good. Is that a price? $569? I think that's a price. Well, there's two prices. There's one for $569 and there's one for $1146. So I don't know how much these stock wings cost. I know the GT350R wing costs a lot, but I'm not sure how much this one is. But yeah, this is my wing, and hopefully in another week and a half, it should be on the car. So that's the latest update, guys. This is what's going on with the car. It's just been sitting. I don't plan to drive it like this. Broken wing and problems coming off. It's already loose. They screwed it back on, but it's already loose. This side is starting to come off. But yeah, that's it, man. This is what's really going on with the car. Hopefully, it should be fixed in about another week or two. I'm hoping, but if not, I mean, the weather sucks anyway. Still got the daily driver, and that's it, man. All right, you know, I'm not sure if this ever happened to any of you guys with the wing like this. All right, so let me know in the comment section. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know, man, because I've never seen anything like this. So
waiting for the stripes to come in. Once the stripes comes in, get the wing off, put the stripes on, and then you put the wing on. So that's it for now, guys. All right, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, like, comment, hit that bell notification, hit all notification for all my latest videos, and also follow me on Instagram or JCarReview on Instagram. All right, see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.